Hello guys, how are you all? Hoping that you are doing well at home and just now recently you have done your exam yesterday, I hope. So I hope you have done the exam also well. Those who have joined recently, for your sake, we have the videos on YouTube, so you can just figure it out, finish up those topics. And recently we have covered the compounds of magnesium. So one compound, that is magnesium, we have covered, and the remaining compounds we are going to look now. And the other thing is I wanted to say is, even if you are joining little later also, doesn't matter, give the test. Okay, test, you may think like nothing I have studied, so what it will it make some sense or not in giving the test? I say the test is such an area. See, any test is understanding yourself where you stand. Maybe sometimes some questions you can answer it, so without any preparation also somebody could have answered some questions. Okay, but I wish you prepare well and then answer. In case if you are joining little later also, doesn't matter. So see that you give the test definitely. And while you are giving the test, again I want to emphasize on, since you are at home, you have every opportunity to malpractice, but I don't want that to happen. As I said, test is always assessing yourself where you stand. Okay, be it in the classroom or offline, or wherever it is online. So I always suggest you that be very genuine to yourself. You might be like, while you are answering the questions also, you might be recollecting the things, and you might be feeling like to open the book and just see that silly point, but actually you shouldn't. Okay, so I really do not encourage that. Even if you feel like, no sir, it's very small point, I wanted to look into that, okay, now I give a free choice. But what I suggest you is, after you check out this point, see that you remember it. Ultimately what I wanted or anybody wanted is, till the ultimate exam you must remember the points or the concepts. Okay, so in case if you have done also, or if anybody rings you up for answers or something like that, or you wanted to tell your friend something like that, explain or give the answer with an explanation, not just giving the answer. Okay, so I do not encourage that. Number one, I will not encourage. But in case you are still insisting on your friends, and if you are getting in that trap, get out of it as soon as possible. Do not help your friends. Show your friendship in making them to understand, not giving the answers. Okay, so that's what a good friendship is all about. Fine, so I hope you have done that exam well. And today we shall discuss about the compounds of magnesium, further compounds of magnesium. And again, due to some difficulties I have, so I'm making the video, I'm just sharing the link. Other compounds of magnesium we are doing it, and with that the compounds of magnesium will be done. Will be left over with the compounds of calcium. Okay, so I wish the same way that what I have done on a piece of paper, because I am little away from my place, so I am doing it on it, and today I have come up. So once you check that, read the points, understand it. If any doubts are there, just drop a message. I'll be explaining it again. Okay, and as you go through, do make the notes. Okay, so let's talk about that.